So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna see how we are gonna use the new AI chatbot by Chinese which is called DeepSeek, and we are in the main dashboard of the DeepSeek. If you want to use DeepSeek, so just go to Google and search for DeepSeek AI. So guys, you can go to Google and search for DeepSeek AI, and as you can see here is the main website. DeepSeek has a significant breakthrough in interface speed over the previous one. So just go to the app, and here you can see DeepSeek R1 is now live on open source, rivaling OpenAI's model. So this AI chatbot using ChatGPT to generate answers, and it also says rivaling OpenAI's model 01, available on web, app and API. Click for details. So all you have to just go for the start now. So guys, as you can see, I have already created a DeepSeek account, and it's very easy access to DeepSeek. So guys, in this video we will see how this AI chatbot will respond my few questions. So at first I have just asked, like, I am a graphic designer, I need some content ideas for my YouTube channel, so suggest me 10 trending YouTube title for 2025, as for it can help me to rank on YouTube in 2020. Let's see how this new AI chatbot will respond to this. So I'm gonna hit enter and let's see. So guys, it says here are 10 trending YouTube title idea for 2025 trailer for a graphic designer like you. These titles are designed to engaging SEO friendly. So guys, it also is suggesting you like a SEO friendly title. Like at first it says the future of graphic design, AI tools that will change your workforce. So guys, this is a really a wonderful title right now in 2025, like the future of graphic design, AI tools. As you know, there are a lot of AI tools to the industry in 2025, so you can use this title to create your YouTube video. And here are other like 10 design trends you must know in 2025. Also, how I made $10,000 as a graphic designer. So I never made $10,000 as a graphic designer using new graphics. People are creating $10,000, $20,000 as month as a graphic designer in Upwork or Fiverr. So on the other hand, it says from beginner to pro, master graphic design in 30 days, the secret to viral. So guys, a Chinese AI chatbot just creating your all of the content like this. Like it says how to build a personal brand as a graphic designer, the ultimate guide to freelancing as a graphic designer, designing for the metaverse, what you need to do in 2025. Get unlimited content, YouTube content, title, video idea from here. So it also suggestion designing for metaverse, what you need to know, 5 free design resources you need in 2025, save time and money. It also suggests you some tips, like tips to rank on YouTube. Like it says keyword research, use tool like TubeBuddy or Vidic. As you know, TubeBuddy and Vidic is right now the best tool for thumbnails. So create eye-catching in thumbnail that stand out in search result. So guys, as you can see, this new DeepSeek AI chatbot just creating some awesome content. So I'm gonna ask something new, like okay, I'm gonna ask something new, like I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna search for something different, like suggest me 10 wonderful places I need to go in December for vacation. My budget is very little, only between 500 to $1,000. So suggest me 10 places in India so I can cover with my budget. So I want some places to go in India, and my budget is $500 to $1,000. So let's see guys how this AI model responds to this prompt. So I'm gonna hit enter. So it says here are 10 wonderful budget. Oh my god, it's creating your whole tour package, guys. This is really awesome. Okay, Ganj, Himachal. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this AI model is completely free. So use it to create your content, to get some ideas. As compared to ChatGPT, I always prefer ChatGPT 100%. GPT's answers are wonderful. Here are 10 wonderful budget-friendly destinations in India that you explore into December under 500 to 1000, approximately 40,000 rupees and 80,000 rupees in Indian currency. So it says you can visit Udaipur, Rajasthan. It suggests that why visit. Known as the city of lakes, Udaipur offers stunning places, serene lakes and romantic vibes. It also suggests the budget apps, stay in budget guest house, and it also suggests the estimated cost. So guys, it also suggests you the estimated cost is 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees for 3 to 4 days. So guys, you can create your full tour package with this app. You can go to Rishikesh, and it says why visit Rishikesh, a spiritual and adventure hub with Ganges River, yoga retreats and white water rafting. So guys, this is wonderful. It also suggests you the budget tips and it also suggests you the estimated cost. Then Pondicherry, then Megalodganj, Himachal Pradesh. So guys, this is really good. If you want content for your Facebook or Instagram, you can create some awesome tool AI model. So I always prefer ChatGPT because ChatGPT's answers are very useful, and DeepSeek is also good. You can see it created the whole approximately budget of 40,000 to 80,000 rupee if you want to go to India in a budget tour. So guys, you can use this chatbot to create your complete tour budget. So let's see something new. Okay, I'm gonna ask something like I need some simple information. So I'm gonna go here and search for 10 me 10 amazing fact about Earth and also describe me about the fact. So I just added a prompt like 10 me 10 amazing fact about Earth and also describe me about the facts. So I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. So we are gonna use different prompt to see how this new DeepSeek AI model give us the answer. So let's see. So sometimes it taking too much time. So latest model. So guys, as you can see, sometimes it will say the server is busy, please try again. I have already generated some content like a whole package to India. Then I have asked to generate some, ask it like I'm a graphic designer, I need some content ideas for my YouTube channel. So suggest me 10 trending YouTube titles for 2025 as for it can help me to rank on YouTube. Guys, it generated you the 10 titles and which is really great. I really impressed with the answer, and it also suggests you some tips to ranking in YouTube like keyword research, engaging thumbnail, consistency and trend awareness. So guys, you can also get some great ideas and content from this DeepSeek AI and you can generate some YouTube title from this. So I have created some prompt like before, or like suggest me 10 wonderful places I need to go. It gave us the answer in few seconds. And when I create some apps, so I want to show you like I have just asked like I want to create an app for travel where people will see different destination and know of the destination and guide them. I want to create this app in using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Also suggest me what best for this app. So guys, it also created me the HTML, CSS and it also give you the step how you can step by step create this travel app. As you can see, it also guide you how you can structure your folder like travel app, index, HTML, CSS, and it's also give you the HTML code like build the structure with HTML. So you can get the HTML code from here. It created me the HTML code and the CSS code and the JavaScript code. So all you have to do, so how to check that, so just go to pen code, go here, go to the pen code and just copy the first HTML code and just paste it here. Then go here and here it says style your app CSS. So I'm gonna copy the CSS and here it says CSS. So I'm gonna paste it here. Then we are gonna find the JavaScript. So just copy, and as you can see, it says the JavaScript JS. So I'm gonna paste it. So as you can see, it gives us a normal view of our travel app. It says the home, destination, guides, content. So guys, you can create a full-fledged app with this DeepSeek AI. You can try. I didn't create an app with this DeepSeek. I have just asked. So it also suggests you like add advanced feature like interface with the maps, use Google Maps API, and it also guys guide you with CSS media requests to ensure your app looks great and all devices. So guys, you can also get ideas to create app, and it also guide you how you can step by step process all of the things like it suggests for your app how to use framework or library APIs, Google API. So guys, this is really great, and you can find this chatbot absolutely free right now in 2025. So guys, as you can see, you can use this chatbot to create your content, your app. You can get your any type of script like calculator, tool website you can create from this new AI chatbot. And guys, in the last, I will say sometimes you will get some response like this server is busy, please try again later. There are more and more users are coming to this chatbot to use it, and it's completely free. You can go to Google and search for DeepSeek. If you want to try a different type of chatbot, then you can go to DeepSeek. On the other hand, I always say use ChatGPT to create your full content because ChatGPT give us the best answer. If I paste the same content like I want to create a hook reading app, if you don't know about coding, so just go to ChatGPT and tell him that I don't have a knowledge of coding, so just suggest me how to create an app. So as you can see, ChatGPT just generated me like how folder structure will work, like how. So guys, ChatGPT is the best So I always say use ChatGPT to get your content. So guys, on the other hand, DeepSeek is also good, but as you can see, it's sometimes you will get some answer like this server is busy, please try later. So this chatbot will take some time to give you the proper answer, and all you have to do, so just go to the edit message and just hit the send. So guys, sometimes you will get the answer instantly. So all you have to do, just edit here and send it again. DeepSeek just generated me a 10 amazing fact art in highlights. So I have just asked him like, can you convert this into Bangla language? So it just convert the full content in Bangla language. So guys, you can generate any type of language content from this new AI DeepSeek. That's for today. Use it, and it's completely free. You can generate some wonderful content, like I have generated some trending YouTube titles, and this is really great, and I can use this title to create videos in my YouTube. So guys, thank you so much. Use this chatbot tool. It is completely free, and you will find the link in the description. Thank you.